scares me. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's kind of terrifying. Is that what it is, Jay Bradley? For real? What's wrong with my belly? Nothing's wrong with my belly. A blueberry. Is that really what it's called, Shadow Knight? For real? Do they bite? Okay, hold on. I gotta block this person. Okay. Thanks, Ian. That's the only thing that, like, I'm missing out here is I need, like, because I usually play music off of my phone when I'm at the beach, but I can't play it when I'm, like, going live, which kind of sucks. Guys, I forgot my tripod. You guys are sitting. Do you guys want to see my setup? Are you ready? You guys are sitting on this log with my umbrella attached to the log, and I'm holding you up with my cup. So that's our setup for the day, which is why it keeps falling down. We're doing our best out here, y'all. We're doing our best. Alex, I don't know. I'm not sure. I can't get up because then I can't see you guys. Guys, I don't have my glasses on. Can we be together someday? I don't know who you are, Ahmed. I don't know who you are, Ahmed. I'm not going to be with somebody I don't know. That's weird. Dale, what's up, Dale? How are you? Do your bones feel grainy? Does your skin feel salt? What does that even mean, Goober? Dale, thank you for the loves. And the go pop. Would you like an Aussie? Dr. Bush, hello. Guys, I caught it. That was pretty good. That was a good catch. Dr. Bush, thank you for the loves. Guys, I'm trying to not let you fall over. Thank you for the you're awesomes. This is outrageous. I don't think it's gonna work. I might have to just hold it. Hey, Colbs, what's up? I'm ready for the big league. What do you mean the big league, Dr. Bush? Hi, Colbs, how are you? I know. Because I caught it. That's hilarious. 1 week. One every other week or so, we'll send some out. Wait, what are you sending out, Dale? I'm doing good, Colbs. Hi, Brett. Thank you for the heartbeat, Brett. Thank you, Ahmed. Brett, I'm doing good. I'm a little sleepy today, but I'm good. Thank you, Joe. Oh, Dale. Thank you. Hi, Fatally Jeff. You'll lick every part of my body? No? Bye, Brett. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping in. I slept for, I think, like 6 or 7 hours. I didn't get quite enough sleep. I'm trying to get more sleep, but we'll see. Yes, always overthinking. Yeah, absolutely. Guys, I can't get this to stay. I don't know where that is, Tawaku. Hold on.